In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Fiverr app not working. So if you are experiencing any challenge with your Fiverr freelance app, maybe the app is not opening, or it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to fix this, go ahead and look for your app and long press on it to access the app info page. For that, go ahead and choose app info. Depending on your smartphone, if this app info is missing, then you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Go ahead and tap on it to access the app info page. You can also access Fiverr app info page through settings. From here, we need to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially cache data. If I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data for this app, and this might be the reason this app is malfunctioning. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your Fiverr app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause this app to malfunction. To fix this, go down below and tap on clear data and then choose cache and OK. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone, and this should have solved your problem. However, if this doesn't work, then go ahead and clear data again, and this time around choose clear all data and OK. But should this not work, then head to the third method, and that is to look for any update if it is available from Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I have opened, but I don't have an update. If you see an update, go ahead and update it. And by doing so, you'll be able to fix any issues that might be associated with this app. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you're using an outdated version of Fiverr freelance service app. At this point, now everything should be okay. However, if your app still crashes, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall this app and then install it afresh. By doing so, you'll have cleared bugs that might be causing your app to crash each and every time. So by following any of these methods, you should be able to fix your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.